Question 15. A cell contains 2 hydrogen electrodes. Both the electrodes are hydrogen electrodes. The negative electrode is in contact with a solution of 10 to the power minus 6 m hydrogen ions. Negative electrode means anode. So at anode, the concentration of H plus ions is 10 to the power minus 6 moles per liter. The EMF of the cell is 0.118 volt at 25 degrees centigrade. Calculate the concentration of hydrogen ions at the positive electrode. Means cathode. Positive electrode means cathode. So in the question, it is asked that what is the concentration of H plus ions at the cathode. Now, EMF of the cell is given as 0.118 volt. Now, since both the electrodes are hydrogen electrodes are same, only the concentration of the H plus ions in both the half cells is different. So, this is a concentration cell and both the electrodes are same. So, E naught cell will be equal to 0. Because E naught cathode minus E naught anode will be 0, as cathode and anode are made up of the same material, that is hydrogen. Since both the cathode and anode are hydrogen electrodes, the standard reduction potential of cathode and anode is same. So E naught cell, that is E naught cathode minus E naught anode will be 0. Now E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log H plus ion concentration at the anode, A represents anode, divided by H plus ion concentration at cathode, C represents cathode. Now what is the number of electrons involved? Since the reaction, overall reaction is, since the reaction at the anode is oxidation, that is hydrogen getting oxidized to H plus ion by the loss of 1 electron, and reaction at the cathode will be H plus ion getting reduced by accepting 1 electron. So number of electrons involved in this reaction is 1. E naught cell is 0. E cell is given in the question as 0.118. Now putting the values, and H plus ion concentration at anode is given as 10 to the power minus 6. So putting the values, log 10 to the power minus 6 divided by H plus ion concentration at the cathode is equal to 0.118 will get divided by 0.0591. This will be minus log. 0.118 divided by 0.0591 is 2. So minus log 10 to the power minus 6 divided by H plus ion concentration at cathode is 2. Or log 10 to the power minus 6 divided by H plus ion concentration at cathode is minus 2. Taking antilog minus 2 will be equal to 10 to the power minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 6 divided by H plus ion concentration in cathodes is equal to 10 to the power minus 2. Because antilog minus 2 is 10 to the power minus 2. Rearranging H plus ion concentration at cathode is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 10 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter. So concentration of H plus ions at cathode is 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter.